It's significantly less than what we were looking for in terms of, the baseline funding injection into the Canada Health Transfer.
Over $46 billion in new federal cash for health care, but the premiers say that's just not enough. Justin Trudeau has offered the provinces and territories a 10-year, $196 billion deal on health care, but that seemingly hasn't moved the needle for the provinces and territories.
Our requests were to add $28 billion to the base, $28 billion a year to the $45 billion that is given every year now by the federal government, and then have an escalator clause at 5%. We got the second part. We'll have the 5% of increase, but we didn't get the good part of the $28 billion that we were asking for in the basis.
The plan would have included guaranteed 5% increases in health transfer funding over the next 5 years, with further increases baked in. But the premiers say this is still well below what they asked for. Some, however, say this looks like a good start.
While we'll always be here to represent our constituents and to argue for more, of course, I still think that this is a step towards the right direction.
What we see this as is a starting point. It's a down payment on further discussions.
We did have a number put before us. It was significantly less than I think what we were asking for, obviously, but I think it is something that has been put before us, and it is a step in the right direction, as you've heard my other colleagues say today.
The offer also included $1.7 billion to increase wages for personal support workers and $25 billion put aside for health deals with individual provinces and territories.
I very much look forward to rolling up my sleeves and negotiating with them right away on delivering this money as quickly as possible to help healthcare systems across the country.
None of the premiers would say if they'd reject the deal out of hand, and they couldn't say how long it would take them to review the offer in full, but say they'll meet among themselves in the next few days. In Ottawa, Xiaoli Li, City News.